Hello friends. Welcome back on my channel. In this video I will show you how to convert JPEG image to PDF. Right-click on the image that you want to convert to PDF. Then click on Open With. Now select Photos. When open it. Now click on the three dots on the top right corner. Now click on Print. Make sure that the printer should not be connected. Here you have done the settings. Now click on Microsoft Print to PDF to convert to PDF. And save it. Here the picture is in PDF format on the desktop. You can check its properties. If you open it, it will open in the web browser. Thank you so much for watching.